Yo, bro.
What's up?
What do you mean, what's up? When you gonna fix my Mini, bro? You got like 6 months. You gonna fix it. You gonna fix it. I need one tool.
I'm gonna fix it, bro.
I've never seen a mechanic stop working because he's missing one tool. Mechanics figure it out. I guess that's the difference between you and a real mechanic, right?
So you questioning my mechanics?
I'm questioning everything, bro. Who lasts us a month? My boy Felix El Grillo would have been done that shit. Yo, he has not fixed the car, bro. This guy.
Felix is talking? Nah, bro.
This guy right here.
Yo pensaba que ese carro estaba ready.
It's ready what, bro? That car se le pide.
Este lo alzó con el gato y dijo, ya, yo terminé.
I didn't have my shoes on, man. Come on, bro.
So that's it. You don't. That's another excuse. Yo, you know what? You're the excuse mechanic. That's what it is. I gotta show the people. Look at that shit, bro. He jacked it up. Never again. Look. He jacked it up. Never again. Make sure you have all the tools, yo. Like, look, I had to literally like give him the breakdown.
The minute he was talking about that,
bro, I want to make sure that when he fuck up, he could go straight back to that minute. Be like, yo, minute 13 talks about that. We're not even trying to like. ¿Tú eres el mecánico del Mini o del Honda?
Yo soy de los dos.
Oh, de los dos. Bueno, pues mira, es que me cobra menos. What's that called? You don't even know what's that called. You're about to use it.
It's a hex wrench.
Allen keys.
Allen key, you see?
The same hex.
Tomato, 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 tomato. The light right here. Light is lit right there. Boom. Got no excuses with the Mini. Yo, where you want your workstation, bro? Right here is good. Remember lefty loop? Oh, my boy going 2 arms. I ain't see this. There's no YouTube video on this. Let me see.
They don't teach that in,
they don't.
in automotive school.
That's facts. 2 at the same time. 2 Chainz ain't got nothing on me. 2 Chainz ain't got nothing on me. Eso sí que tiene media hora ahí. No, okay, here we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Boy doing 2 wrenches at the same damn time. At the same damn time. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Guy right here. Wow, my guy sweating already. My guy sweating. Woo, glistening, boy.
It's the lights.
Yo, the light.
Camera action when I walk through the
Headlight.
Which one's that for? The headlight?
Headlight.
He's doing the headlight. Headlight.
Wait, is this a 10 too? Yeah.
Okay, so you know the numbers and everything. All right, hold up. That's new right there. Look. Para los que no sabían, dile ahí, yo no sabía eso.
Cuando uno suelta, ¡pam! Lo suelta y después uno coge la vuelta ahí. Félix el Grillo. Dando clase.
Dale otra vez, dígale, Félix.
Félix el Grillo. Dando clase.
Yeah, I don't know what's crazy. Like, you know, sometimes, like right now, yo no sé nada de mecánica. But to have 2 people work on your car and none of them fix it, yo, you gotta like, it's gotta be crazy. All right, here we go.
It's a part out, my guy. $50.
Oh, nah. Wait. You ain't selling my shit for no $50. No,
How much you paying us for this?
what?
It's $500 minimum.
$500 minimum. But this is what I'm trying to say, right? Like, if I go to a mechanic and I know the mechanic using gloves, for some reason I don't trust the mechanic with gloves.
I can't use gloves.
Mechanic has to be able to go fuck up nail. Your nails gotta be fucked up.
Eso es mujer. El que se pone guante es mujer.
Nah, but he's doing. I mean, they do the same job, you know.
I need to type on the keyboard, my guy.
Oh, okay. This is a side job. You right? Good comeback there.
Where did I put my tool?
You ain't got shit. Right here, look.
Oh, what the hell? Damn, this whole shit's coming off, man. What the fuck? Look, that shit rusty as fuck.
Si no funciona, pues.
Second light.
That light's messed up. You gotta like do something.
Yeah, we tried. I fucked that up. I listened to my mechanic. Remember when we put this shit?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink some coffee.
trabajo que yo hice poniendo, lo tengo que quitar.
Yo, for real. Quítame de ahí porque mira cómo está este tigre. Sube la vez ahora. Dice que ahora sube, ahora no sube. Alright. We brought the guns out. My boy brought the guns out right now. Okay.
Spit on it, bro.
Yo, what a dude. Says
You gotta
spit.
make love to your
Nigga
shit.
says spit on it, bro.
Thank God we doing this shit with the fucking gun, cause we be here for all day.
That's cheating. Tú arreglaste tu carro.
Bro's going under right now.
En el
The
mismo
oil
medio,
pan? You said jack up with the oil pan, right? Yeah, the oil pan.
Right here. Alright, what we got so far? First, we just took off.
So we took off the headlights, the bracket, and now we're about to jack the car up to put on to take off the engine mount and then take off the part that we need.
In other words, we just getting started.
In other words, we're about to finish.
See?
So that's the part right there. You can see it's kind of broken, like, yeah, right there. That is not supposed to be showing. It's broken.
So that's the part that's causing my Mini to heat up. So we almost on the road, baby. We out there. I'm about to be rap. Yo, check it. I'm talking Mini. I'm not talking mouse. You better know. Yeah, that's all I have.
Talking mini, no mouse. Look at the mouse right here. That's the rat. Right here. That's the rat.
It is now day 2 of fixing the Mini. Bro, how many days we have after that pump? Where you at? Where you go?
2 days.
How many days we got after
We got
that
2
pump?
days.
2 days after that right there. Those. We mixed it up. We was out here just ready to kill where the hell where you at, bro?
Right, so we back at it again.
Back at it again.
It
bro.
took 2 days to get this water pump pulley. Turns out it was bad.
And I got the most important job right there. The number 10 right there.
The most important tool, baby.
Right there. I did that. I made that happen. I went to like 5 different Home Depots and I made it happen.
Don't you know, pump it up. You gotta pump it up.
You know to bump it up. Oh, you pumping the car up.
So this is the water pump pulley. You'll see when we take out the old one how messed up that pulley is. You'll see why when my brother was driving this car that it went click, 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 click. This looks like a 6 chain to me. Damn it, man. Damn it, a 16. So right now we finally have the 2 parts that we need to take out. So we have the belt tensioner and the water pump pulley. I'll show you right here.
I'm over here recording. Like you said, you're gonna move those 3 bolts. Look at the 3 bolts.
So we just slowly go ahead and take them out with the 10mm, which is gonna take forever because this is the hardest part about working on cars. Last one, baby, is finally off. Let's go.
What? No. Again, left on the bottom.
Yeah.
Go. My guy.
Yes, sir. Belt tensioner. You can see the plastic, like it's kind of damaged. So this is both of them, I guess.
Side by side.
Side by side, you can see the plastic is broken, brittle. This plastic looks newer. I don't even know why we're using plastic, you know, for a part like this, but rust. More loose. It seems more loose. This has like a little bit more resistance, but it rolls. So there's the last bolt. Well, yeah, last bolt that we are getting off for the water pump pulley. So I'm gonna take it out right now, hopefully. It came right out. And that is disgusting, man. This is honestly
It is
disgusting.
fire, bro. What are you talking about compared to the new one? Which one's the new
There's
one?
no
This is
rubber.
the new one, right?
Absolutely not. There has no rubber. Oh my god. Alright, so we finally tightened in the last bolt for the belt tensioner. Should be good. Still scary right here.
Yo.
Just started the Mini right now, and it's sounding pretty good. Sounding pretty good, man.
The guy is official. He's
And
ready.
we still haven't test drove the car, so let's see what's going on the test drive.
All right, follow us, y'all.
The tires are
Flat. All right, the Mini is out. We are on a test drive. Hold up.
Oh, we got a brake light out.
No, we got a brake light out. God damn it.
Fixed it.
Let's fix. Let's
Just
roll.
fixed the Mini.
It sounds amazing. Low pressure tires, the only thing that's telling us. Other than that, everything is running beautiful. No sound, no clickety clanking. You know, no overheating. All the wheels are top. All the wheels are low. That's due to the fact that it was there for like 2 months without moving. So
You got change?
yes, actually, let me get it.
For the-
Wow, boys, bro.
Even the power looks good, right?
We some wild boys right now, bro. Watch out, little bump up. Clack. Air time. Oh look, you put it right there. Why not? We got 1 air, 2 airs. Oh look, I brought enough quarters. Look at that.
Alright. I don't even have a tire pressure gauge, is the problem.
Operation Mini success. That's right. Mini's been out for about an hour after we lasted 2 at freaking Wendy's and shit.
Yeah,
But
that's a whole hour there, man. It was horrible.
it was horrible, but we got our 444s. We lit. Mini's lit. No overheating sign or anything. The job has been done. And until next time, guys.